brand new Num Noms Snackable cereal that make it breakfast all day, every day. Num Noms Snackable cereal are the tiniest Num Noms ever. We may be tiny, but we are big in numbers. Yes, you are. I cannot wait to show Michael and Michelle my new Num Noms. But boy, that girl can sleep. She's kind of like this adorable Num Nom, BB Shreds. So sleepy.
Hey, I need my beauty rest.
Aw, BB Shreds and Michael and Michelle are both tired and teeny.
My eyes are deceiving me. What are these teeny tiny toys?
Num Noms, inspired by real cereal. There's Wheat Crisp, Puffs, Rings, Marshmallows, Checkers, and Flakes. Num Noms are numtastic, numazing, numtabulific.
Those are not even words.
But they should be. In every pack, you get 11 characters, 1 magic spoon, and a hidden rare character. Should we open one?
Yeah!
Let's do it. Whoa! Ooh, look at this one.
Ooh.
We got a ring.
It's a heart.
How cute. Ooh, it's a chocolate dipped ring.
Ooh,
it's a
rainbow.
Ooh, it's a puff with
Whoa.
3. This is the super duper cute magic spoon. Wait, this is the big finale. Inside this magic spoon is the 12th rare secret character Num Nom. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa, it's fizzing. It smells super good. It kind of smells like orange, doesn't it? Oh, wait, we have to look for our secret character.
Yeah.
That's our secret rare character.
Oh, it's a cute little flower. This is cool. Just too cool. Pinch me. I must be still dreaming. Hey.
Okay, I think we're awake now. There are 140 cereal Num Noms to collect and 10 magic milk spoons. Scents like chocolate and birthday cake. You know what? All this talk about breakfast is making me actually hungry for breakfast.
Don't. These cereal Num Noms are way too cute to eat.
And they're totally not edible.
We're hungry. Let's go have breakfast.
Good idea. But what do you want, Num Noms?
Bacon and waffles.
Sounds like a plan. I love having breakfast all day.
Me too.
Comment down below and let us know what your 5 top favorite Num Noms are. See you next time.
Num Noms.
Smell delicious. Hi guys, I'm Tahani, and today I'm going to show you these super adorable special Num Noms. These Num Noms are completely different than anything we've ever seen before. You know how usually the Num goes on top of the Nom? Well, check this out. We've had cookies before, but never like this. This is Choco Fortune. Chocolate. This is Goody Luck. And this is Candy Karma. Ooh, cotton candy. So usually the Nom would go under the Num. But in this case, the Nom is going to go inside the Num. It's kind of like you're putting your fortune into the fortune cookie. It's really fun. What's that, Candy Karma? You want to tell me my fortune? You mean I'm going to find a Num Nom like no other? I mean, sure I will, but like when will I... Okay, Candy Karma gives really good fortunes. Let me introduce you to Pea and Pod Erase-Its. This is the Num, Edamama, and these are the Noms. They fit inside of Edamama perfectly, like 2 peas in a pod. But get this, they're actual erasers. Aren't they adorable? This is Becky Banana, and this is Oscar Orange. And look who's inside. Look, it's just like I peeled my own orange. They erase too, and smell really good. And inside Becky Banana, we've got an eraser topper. And of course, we have the Noms with the actual hole, so we could put nail polish. There are so many toppers. There's dollops of whipped cream, fruit, straws, even a crown. I now pronounce you Queen Peaky Butt. What was that, Candy Karma? You want me to follow my Nom Nom destiny? It's Series 2 lights, and now I can wear them. My destiny is to wear Num Noms, and they flash 2 colors. I can take them any your favorite way to play with Num Noms. I'll see you later. Bye.
Num Noms smell delicious.
Hi everyone, I'm Tawny and I'm so glad that you're here. I'm going to a sleepover tonight and I thought it'd be super awesome if I could bring some Num Nom playsets. I can't wait. Can't I be excited? Let me show you what we got. This is the Num Noms lip gloss truck. And this is the actual life-size Num Noms lip gloss truck. Hey, sugar wafer. Mmm. So good. I smell cupcakes. Wow, look at the Num Nom Froyo cups. Froyo, get your Froyo. Donuts, my fave. Num Noms, get your Num Noms. Get them here while you're fresh. Anyways, back to this Num Noms lip gloss truck. We are gonna make our own lip gloss. My friends and I are gonna have so much fun, but I'm gonna show you how. First thing you wanna do is go ahead and get your mixing bowl. Mixing bowl is so cute and it comes with a little cherry on top. Who doesn't love a cherry on top? So this is the little cherry mixer. This is the mixing cup. You're gonna use this to mix all your lip gloss products in. The next thing you want to do is get this container of a lip gloss, and basically it just has all the lip gloss product that you're going to need, and then you add the color and the sprinkles by yourself. Pop that off, scrape some. That's how much you want to use. Now it's time to add your color. I think I'm going to go in with pinkish red color. It smells just like cherries. I'm going to pour that in. There we go. Next thing I'm going to do is add just a little bit of a vanilla scent and some sprinkles or sparkles. Who doesn't love a shiny lip? I know I do. Now, get your cherry whisk and mix it up. After you're done mixing everything thoroughly, you're going to pull this up and pull this out and kind of just scrape it in the truck. And I didn't make too much, so it's not going to be completely filled, but it's going to be just enough for me. I can't wait to the next part. It's going to be so cool. You're going to turn it and get one of your little lip gloss containers. I'm going to use this one because I'm feeling a little Sunday-y. Pop this off, place it under, grab your little bunny, and push it in. Whoa, look at that. I made my own lip gloss ice cream. It's so cute. And I love the color. I think I'm going to try it. And it smells like cherry and vanilla. And this is my absolute favorite, the Nail Polish Cafe. And this is just like the playset, the Num Noms Nail Polish Maker. Let me show you. There are stickers, glitter, and press-on nails, so you can bet how much fun I'm going to have at my sleepover. And seriously, you can make your own nail polish. I'm going to make my own nail polish. You're going to get this cute little nom and place it under your milk and just squeeze. Then it's time to pick your color. We have strawberry, banana, blueberry, and even sparkles. How about strawberry and blueberry? Then glitter. It's time to mix. Voila! I'll call this one Strawberry Blueberry Galaxy. Now let's see what's on the other side. This is where you apply. Get your new Num Nom polish and paint either your fake or your real nails. Now you have the decision to put a sticker on it. A yum sticker. Kind of just press it down. Now it's time to dry. But while that is drying, get your applicators. Basically what these are is the glue to help that nail stick to your real nail. It has a clear side and a white side. You want to put the clear side facing your nail and kind of just press that on super good. Then you want to peel off the white side, so it's just like that. Next, you want to place your finger inside this little rest area, turn the wheel, match up, and break it off. And then I'm going to paint the rest of them. Ta-da! my Num Nom manicure with polish I made. Now I'm ready to go to my sleepover. And I'm gonna bring my Num Noms with me. Do you see these rests I use for my finger? Well, they're also seats for Noms. And get this, take these out to make more room for your playset. Your Noms can go on the top row. Perfect for the girl on the go. I can't wait to show off my nails. Leave a comment below and let us know your favorite Num Noms playset. See you next time. Gotta go to my sleepover. Bye!
Num Noms smell delicious.